Sound quality, comfort, connectivity, and battery life, these are the must-have attributes you need to consider while buying a pair of earbuds. When these factors come together reliably, earbuds become an indispensable part of your daily life, enhancing your audio experience in various situations. Recently, we got our hands on the OneMore S50 and it seems like a really good pair of earbuds for workout and other sports usages. Let's review it and find out how good it actually is. As we opened the box, the first thing that caught our eye was these glossy black earbuds snugly hanging out at the top of the charging case. It's always a good start when your new gadgets look ready to roll. Besides the earbuds and their sleek charging case, there's a trusty Type-C charging cable and instruction manual and 3 sets of sound loops in different sizes, which is perfect for people with different ear sizes. Now let's talk about the design and specs. The OneMore S50 clearly showcases meticulous craftsmanship evident in the thoughtful design and robust construction. Both the earbuds and the case boast a gratifying texture, and despite the charging case being a tad bulky, its thickness is well managed. Contrary to initial concerns about pocket friendliness, it fits seamlessly, easy to retrieve, and stow without a fuss. Examining the earbuds, their substantial size is apparent, each weighing a solid 10 grams. Embracing a non-intrusive design, the ear hooks are crafted from a soft, skin-friendly silicone material, featuring an ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort and stability. The incorporation of ear hooks and airy loop ear tips elevates S50's security measures, and whether you're engaged in intense workout or any rigorous activity, these earbuds would stay securely in place, ensuring a snug fit that endures. The OneMore S50 earbuds are a bit bulkier than some of the slim and trim earbuds out there, but there's a reason for that beefiness. Inside of each of these earbuds are powered by 13.6mm DLC dynamic drivers. The cool thing about this earbud is the directional sound technology. When we pop them in, the music definitely comes alive with the vibe, and the AIENC, otherwise known as environmental noise cancellation, definitely does its job perfectly. It's like having your own personal studio for calls even when we are in the middle of a noisy environment. These are the kind of details that make the S50 stand out. OneMore has set a groundbreaking standard with the S50s, marking them as the pioneering sports headphones to feature a diamond-like coating. These innovative earbuds embrace the original OneMore Pure Power driver, a dual magnetic circuit design internally and externally. The larger diaphragm's force enhances the overall low-frequency quality and elevates performance details in the horn. Beyond the hardware excellence, the S50s leverage SonarWorks' professional sound field calibration technology. This integration facilitates 12 preset EQ sound effects accessible through the proprietary app. Users can tailor the listening experience, enjoying a diverse range of styles created to individual preferences. Adding to the appeal, the buds incorporate a directional sound transmission ring design. This not only enhances comfort during use but also addresses a common concern, sound leakage. OneMore's attention to preventing sound leakage is a noteworthy feature appreciated by users who value privacy and a refined audio experience. Now, if you look at the user experience, the S50 earbuds offer an array of scenarios that truly cater to diverse preferences and needs. For fitness enthusiasts who revel in strenuous workouts, the S50 certainly shines. Crafted with silicone ear tips designed to snugly nestle just outside the ear canal, they deliver a unique blend of comfort and functionality. This innovative design allowed us to enjoy our favorite tunes while staying acutely aware of our surroundings, which is a pretty impressive feature for those who value situational awareness. While the S50 does not come equipped with ANC, it more than compensates with its onboard microphone's impressive noise-canceling capabilities during calls. This proves to be a boon, especially when navigating conversations in noisy environments like bustling gyms or busy city streets. What's truly exceptional about the S50 is its IPX7 rating, a testament to its ruggedness and durability. Powering through an intense workout or braving a jog in the rain, these earbuds can be your unwavering companions, always ready for action. The robust waterproofing ensures that they remain impervious to the elements, making them a dependable choice for the most demanding of scenarios. Additionally, these earbuds' sound quality is also pretty good, although not fully rich. If you're an audiophile seeking a bass-heavy symphony, then you might get a bit disappointed, but for casual listeners, the S50's audio prowess caters to a wide range of musical tastes. With crisp highs, resonant lows, and a perfect balance in between, it definitely managed to give us a satisfying musical experience. Now, in terms of comfort, the S50 strikes the perfect balance between a secure fit and wearability. The ergonomic design and silicone tips not only guarantee a snug and comfortable fit during workouts but also make long listening sessions a joy, ensuring our ears remain fatigue-free. On the other hand, the battery life here is also pretty good. The 60 mAh earbud battery capacity means we have a whopping 38 hours of playtime at our disposal. Also, the case includes a 500 mAh battery capacity, which will definitely come in handy for long journeys. And with a wireless range of up to 10 meters and Bluetooth 5.3, the connection here is pretty strong. So, what's the lowdown from our perspective? If you're on the hunt for some workout or sports headphones or earbuds, the One More S50 is definitely worth a serious look. Yes, they might be a bit bulky, but that's a minor sacrifice for the good quality sound they dish out. With the directional sound tech, AI ENC, and killer battery life, they've got the right ingredients for an active lifestyle. In short, the One More S50 earbuds can become your trusty workout buddy. They bring style, performance, and a comfy fit to the table without having to sacrifice the situational awareness, so we can definitely say that the S50 is all about elevating workouts while making calls clearer and pumping up the music experience at the same time. So would you like to try out this earbud? Let us know in the comment section down below.